Okay, this is the food shop. I went to Sainsburys today. Ideally I would have gone to Asda, but the roadworks on the road to Asda are making a 15-minute journey, about 40 minutes, and I just could not be bothered today. So this is Sainsburys. It was £70 and 22p. And yeah, let's just jump in. Obviously, Gary has to get involved in every food shop video. Got some Nature Valley bars. Ari has these on the way to school in the morning. Big bag of crispy onions because we go through an obscene amount. Dark chocolate chips. 2 lots of Aria's lactose-free milk. Foxy's ice gems. Mozzarella. I will talk to you about the food plan at the end of it. But yeah, mozzarella and halloumi are for meals this week. Penne. I have this because of its really high protein content. I can tell you how much protein it is per serving. It's got, per 200 gram serving, it's got 24 grams of protein, which is amazing. And you can't taste the difference between that and regular pasta. So I have that. Some cheese, big block. Gary, get off. 2 lots of breadsticks for Mika and Fox. I got these for myself. I've not had these in years and I absolutely love them. They're so delicious. 2 lots of plain crisps. Aria chose these for her school pack-ups. I got my Lenore. I haven't had these for a few weeks, but they were on offer today, so I got those. Broccoli, cauliflower. These were so expensive. This was like 90p or something for broccoli, which is insane. I think it was like £1.40. 2 lots of Jaffa cakes. These were 80p each, so they were nice and cheap. 4 garlic. I got some British tomatoes. These were the cheapest ones. So I got them. Some absolutely huge grapes, which look amazing. Cucumber. Aria chose some custards. She loves these so much. Bagel thins, they were on offer. A small pork mince and a giant lean beef mince, both 5% fat. Onions, oranges, because Aria and Fox are going through one of these today. They share them. Is that one? I thought it was mouldy. It's the bum on it. It's fine. Tortillas, butter, hummus. 2 lots of plain flour because we've been making bread recently and I'm going through it like nobody's business. Some cheap honey nut and some cheap granola. I got myself a yogurt, some crunchy Biscoff spread, 4 lots of pepperoni because Aria and Fox have pepperoni sandwiches every day. Brioche, the like fake fruit, and some Baby Bell. They were on offer as well. The only things that I didn't get, which we need to get from Lidl, is the chicken and the ham. I'll show you quickly. Don't judge my fridge because it is very bare and very messy. This ham from Lidl that we always get, it's a family pack. It's massive, but this does us a week because Mika and me and Ben all have ham sandwiches, and we get the same one but chicken as well. And Ari's seedless peppers, which are here. She's nearly run out, so we'll get a couple of bags of those and they'll last her a week as well. And yeah, that was the food shop, so I'm going to put it all away and then we can have a chat at the end about the meal plan for the week. Hi, please excuse the fact I look like a bag of smashed crabs. Yeah, you saw the food shop yesterday, so I thought I would just come on and give you the food plan for the week. If it's your first time here, hey, how's it going? You can hear the kids and their daddy downstairs. They're all playing the Switch while I sort this out. This is Binksy Cat. He is a Klingon. We are a family of 5 and this is our meal plan for this week. I am calorie counting. I have been calorie counting for, I don't know, a few weeks now, and I've lost just under 7 pounds, like £6.6 or something ridiculous. And I don't restrict. I'd rather do it slow and steady. I use NutriCheck, and I aim for like 1700 calories a day because I'd rather lose the weight slowly. He's so dribbly, that cat, and keep it off. So, and I always have chocolate. But our meal plan for this week, and today is Sunday. Oh, there's a hiccup. Oh, just see my coffee has got a cat hair in it. Not his because he doesn't molt. It's the fluffy one who has put his hair in my coffee. Yeah, today's Sunday. So yesterday I did the food shop and we did the meal plan. So the kids had fish fingers and waffles last night. And Ben was going to go to the fish and chip shop because that's what he wanted. I hate fish and chips. I think it's gross. So I had like a frozen fish fillet with little new potatoes, some peas and some white sauce. Tonight we're having meatballs, which I am going to do like a recipe video because I've had a couple of people ask me to film the meatballs recipe. Don't drink my coffee. So I have meatballs tonight with rice. The kids will have theirs with some kind of potato, I imagine, or pasta. Tomorrow we're having pasta, and my mum brings over like a selection of food every week, and this week she bought some steak, and the steak needs to be used tomorrow. So I will pan fry the steaks, chop them all up into little bits, and then they will go in our pasta. 2 steaks will do the 5 of us. Tuesday we're having chicken wraps because I've got a shed load of chicken in my freezer, again, that my mum brought over. Thank you, Mummykins. Wednesday is my birthday, so the kids are going to have fairy toast and we are going to have falafel because I fucking love falafel. And I do make it. The kids have the option of having it, and they'll occasionally eat it, but they don't like it as much as I do. I haven't even brushed my hair today. You're like, yeah, we can tell, Lucy, we can tell. I'm still in pyjamas, I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, Wednesday's my birthday, so I want to have falafel. Ideally I'd like to have Wagamama's takeout, but I don't think funds are going to allow me to have Wagamama's takeout. Every year on my birthday we drive into the city and I get pork gyoza and some steamed bao buns, just for me. No one else has them, just for me, because the kids don't like it. And then I sit and eat them in the car, and it's like my little treat once a year. But I don't think we can afford to do it this year, so I'm gonna make falafel. Homemade falafel, super easy. I'll do a recipe for that as well, because it's a really cheap one to make. Thursday we're making pizzas, homemade pizzas for us, because it's just easy. Like, just make some dough and then chuck some cheese and some meat on it. Jobs are good. And then Friday is Nacho Friday. So we normally do Nacho Wednesday, but because it's my birthday I want to have falafel on my birthday, not nachos. So we've swapped nachos to Friday. 2 of our 3 kids have home packed lunches every day. Aria has a home packed lunch every day. She is 6. Fox is 3, and he saw me making packed lunches for his sisters, and so he has one. So literally when I make the girls theirs in the morning, I make one for him as well. So he has a home packed lunch every day. And then Mika, who is 8, Ari's not 6, Ari's 7. Mika, who is 8, has hot dinner 2 times a week, just because we have to pay for it now. So she just picks 2 dinners that she likes a week, and this week she's having pizza Monday and she's having roast chicken on Wednesday, but the rest of the time she will have home packed lunches. So that was what I had to factor into the food shop. All we need to do today is go to Lidl and get the chicken, the ham and the seedless peppers for Aria. But yeah, that is Binksy, the meal plan for the week. If there's any specific recipes you want me to do other than just the meatballs and the falafel, let me know and I will do them. I'm absolutely loving this colder weather, so we can have like comfort food. We can have like shepherd's pie and chili and just all the yummy stuff. Just it's my happy time. And it's an easy way of getting veg into kids, like hiding vegetables and things. Anything with mince, I can hide like 15 different vegetables and you won't even know it's in there. So it's a sneaky way of getting vegetables into fussy kids. I think that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm so close to 10k, so if you haven't subscribed already, please do enter the giveaway. I've got a huge box of things, 3 different prizes to give away. I'm like desperate just to like give it to someone now. I want someone to win, so share, like, subscribe, tell your nan, tell your mate. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and I love you, bye.